Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Shopify POS hardware. First, select your essential hardware, including a receipt printer, barcode scanner, and card reader. Make sure your tablet, whether an iPad or Android device, is compatible with the Shopify POS app. A cash drawer is also a smart addition for managing cash transactions securely. We will guide you through each step to get your retail store running smoothly. Now let's connect your devices. For your receipt printer, you can typically connect it using Bluetooth, a USB cable, or an Ethernet connection. Next, pair your barcode scanner. Many models connect wirelessly via Bluetooth, while others use a USB port. Finally, connect your card reader, usually through Bluetooth or by plugging it directly into your tablet's Lightning port. Ensure all devices are powered on. With your hardware connected, open the Shopify POS app and log into your store. Go to the Hardware section in the app settings. Here, you will add each connected device, like your printer and card reader, by following the simple on-screen prompts. After adding, perform a quick test for each peripheral to ensure everything is working perfectly before your first sale. For smooth daily operations, always keep your Shopify POS app and tablet's operating system updated to the latest versions. Regularly clean your hardware, especially the card reader and barcode scanner, to maintain optimal performance. Ensure your staff is well trained on using the equipment and basic troubleshooting. A quick system check before opening your store each day will prevent any unexpected issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.